Our next short video is going to be applying that multiplier that we just talked about. So if you're given the question of MPC being 0.75 and then government spending increases by 400, what will the overall GDP increase by? So our question is, our change in GDP is equal to what? Well, what we know is that our change in GDP is going to equal how much that autonomous spending changes by times this spending multiplier. So what we know is we know that the autonomous spending, which includes, just as another review, C bar, I bar, G bar, and X bar, all of those. Here we're seeing that government spending is changing. It's increasing by 400. I'm going to put the positive sign here just to emphasize that we're seeing a 400 positive change. We need to multiply that by the multiplier. Well, we know the multiplier is 1 over 1 minus MPC, which is 0.75. This is going to be the answer that we are looking for. So we have 400 multiplied by 1 over 0.25. 1 over 0.25 is equal to 4, so we have 400 times 4, which is equal to 1,600. So the answer here is if MPC is going to be 0.75, the way you want to think of this is that tells me that the multiplier is equal to 4, and therefore if G goes up by 400, Y goes up by 1,600. That's the way you want to think about this type of problem.